programming from what you see online. The point of my man is so that I can post pictures with him and say we're on
so
trips.
I can look good,
right.
so I can...
That I'm not single no more.
That I'm not single now. Look, I got one too.
Right, like that, I mean, like low-key, that's the ideal these days. It's like, I'm alone.
And men fall into that too, where it's like...
Oh, for sure.
All I got is I can... Look what I put.
Oh, men have always been men. That's always been men. Like now, women are having more options, and you're seeing the other side of that, what their version of it looks like. Because if you see women's vision board, like men's will have maybe several women. Very rarely see a vision board of a guy with a wedding. Like,
oh yeah. No.
You know, they have a Mustang over here, a house, a trip,
cars, computers, money, and women.
It's weak right now. That's so inconceivably weak.
Was that on your vision board?
Hell no. Yeah, it's like, hey man, you know what's going on? How you feel? Like, just to actually get that is so foreign.
Never.
That's a phenomenon.
That's actually a brilliant observation.
Women's vision board is always the husband, wedding,
almost always kids, a wedding and kids.
Travel, the how we look in public together. Just a whole motherfucking retwisting of reality that needs to happen. Like not a retwisting, an alignment with like, okay, what are we actually doing here? Like, what am I actually trying to get?